Hey everyone, if you are struggling with low iron, frequent tiredness, or calcium deficiency, here's a simple morning drink that naturally boosts both. Today, we are making an iron-rich and calcium-loaded milk that's easy to prepare and perfect for daily use. To get the maximum benefit, preparation starts the night before. Take 1 tablespoon of white or black sesame seeds, rinse them, and soak them overnight. This softens the seeds, reduces bitterness, and makes the minerals easier for the body to absorb. The next morning, simply discard the soaking water and transfer the softened sesame seeds into a mixer jar. This step ensures you get the nutrients from the seeds, without the enzyme inhibitors from the soaking water. Now add 1 tablespoon of jaggery, for natural iron support, 1 piece of cardamom for flavor and digestion, and half a glass of water. Grind everything together, until you get a smooth mixture. Once the paste is ready, pour in half a glass of milk, and mix well. This combination brings together calcium from both sesame and milk, making it a powerhouse drink for bone strength and anemia support. Your nutrient-rich sesame milk is ready. Drink it fresh in the morning. Let's quickly understand why this drink is so effective. Sesame seeds are one of the richest plant sources of calcium and iron, helping support strong bones and healthy blood levels. When combined with milk and jaggery, the nutrient absorption becomes even better, and with regular use, it may help improve hemoglobin levels and support stronger bones, all from a simple, natural recipe. Try it for a few days, and feel the difference. See you in the next video.